Ace your job interview, expert tips and strategies for success. Part 2. Behavioral questions. What are behavioral questions? Behavioral questions in a job interview are designed to assess a candidate's past behavior in specific situations to predict how they might perform in similar situations in the future, so that employers can gain a better understanding of a candidate's qualifications and fit for the role based on real-life examples of their past performance. They typically require candidates to provide concrete examples from their previous experiences that demonstrate their skills, abilities, and how they handle various challenges. Preparation tips for candidates. Focus on specific situations, reflect on your past experiences, and identify examples that showcase your skills and achievements. Structured responses. Practice structuring your responses using the STAR method: situation, task, action, and result. Be honest and specific. Be honest and specific in your answers, providing enough detail to demonstrate your abilities and decision-making processes' relevance to job requirements. What is the STAR method? STAR method. The STAR method is a structured technique used to answer behavioral interview questions. It helps candidates provide clear and concise responses that demonstrate their skills and abilities through specific examples from their past experiences. STAR stands for situation, task, action, and result. Situation. Describe the context within which you performed a task or faced a challenge. Task. Explain the actual task or challenge that was involved. Action. Detail the specific actions you took to address the task or challenge. Result. Share the outcomes or results of your actions, highlighting what you accomplished and what you learned. Behavioral questions can be asked on teamwork, problem solving, leadership, conflict resolution, and time management. Now let's see how to answer questions in the above areas using the STAR method. How to use the STAR method to answer behavioral questions. Example 1. Teamwork. Question. Can you provide an example of a time when you worked as part of a team to achieve a goal under a tight deadline? What was your role, and how did you contribute to the team's success? Answer. Situation. In my previous job as a marketing assistant, our team was tasked with launching a new product within a very tight deadline. Task. The task was to coordinate with the design, sales, and customer service teams to ensure the product launch went smoothly and all marketing materials were ready on time. Action. I organized regular meetings to keep everyone updated on progress, assigned tasks based on each team member's strengths, and created a shared timeline to track our deadlines. I also facilitated open communication among the teams to quickly address any issues that arose. Result. The product launch was successful, with all materials ready on time and positive feedback from both the sales team and customers. This experience taught me the importance of effective teamwork and communication in achieving tight deadlines. Example 2. Problem solving. Question. Can you describe a situation where you encountered a significant problem at work, how you approached solving it, and what the outcome was? Answer. Situation. During my internship at a software company, we discovered a critical bug in our application just days before the product launch. Task. The task was to identify the cause of the bug and fix it as quickly as possible to avoid delaying the launch. Action. I immediately gathered the development team for a brainstorming session to isolate the bug. We divided the code into sections and tested each one systematically. I focused on the newly added features, suspecting the bug was introduced during the last update. After identifying the faulty code, I worked with my team to rewrite and test the section to ensure the bug was fixed. Result. We successfully fixed the bug within 24 hours, and the product launch went ahead as scheduled. The timely resolution prevented any delays and ensured a smooth release. This experience enhanced my problem-solving skills and ability to work under pressure. Example 3. Leadership. Question. Can you provide an example of a time when you had to lead a project or event? How did you manage the responsibilities and what was the outcome? Answer. Situation. As the president of the college debate club, I was responsible for organizing our annual inter-college debate competition. Task. The task was to coordinate all aspects of the event, including venue booking, participant registration, and event promotion within a limited budget. Action. I delegated tasks to different team members based on their strengths. I also secured sponsorships from local businesses to fund the event and coordinated with the college administration for venue booking. To promote the event, I used social media and campus flyers to attract participants and audience members. Result: the event was a great success, with a high turnout and positive feedback from participants and attendees. The sponsors were impressed with the organization and expressed interest in supporting future events. This experience helped me develop my leadership and organizational skills. Example 4. Time management. Question: can you provide an example of a time when you had to manage multiple priorities? How did you handle it, and what was the outcome? Answer. Situation: in my final semester, I had to complete a major research paper while also preparing for my final exams. Task. The challenge was to manage my time effectively to ensure I could complete the research paper on time without compromising my exam preparation. Action. I created a detailed schedule outlining specific times for researching, writing, and studying. I broke down the research paper into smaller tasks, such as researching, drafting, and editing, and set mini deadlines for each part. I also set aside dedicated time each day for exam preparation to balance both responsibilities. Result: by staying organized and following my schedule, I completed the research paper on time and performed well in my exams. This experience taught me the importance of time management and planning. Example 5. Conflict resolution. Question: can you describe a time when you had to resolve a conflict within a team? How did you approach the situation, and what was the result? Answer. Situation: during a group assignment in my business class, there was a disagreement about the direction of our project. Task: the task was to resolve the conflict and ensure the group could work together effectively to complete the assignment. Action: I suggested we hold a meeting to discuss everyone's viewpoints. I facilitated the discussion, ensuring everyone had a chance to speak and be heard. We eventually decided to combine elements from each perspective, creating a more comprehensive project plan. Result: the conflict was resolved, and we were able to work together effectively. Our final project received high marks, and the professor praised our teamwork. This experience reinforced the value of open communication and collaboration in resolving conflicts. Why behavioral questions are important. Predictive value. They provide insight into how a candidate might behave in future work situations. Depth of information. They encourage candidates to provide detailed, concrete examples rather than general or hypothetical responses. Relevance. They help interviewers assess specific skills and competencies that are critical for the job. Best of luck in your interviews. You've got this.